Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the area. Put on chemical gloves, eye protection, and a respirator for organic vapors. You need fresh airflow, so open windows and aim for 5-10 air changes per hour. Once the space is ventilated, set a metal mixing container on a stable surface and keep flames away. This stuff is flammable. Next, pour thinner slowly and add it to the paint at about 10-20% to begin. Stir gently with a wooden stick until smooth, because over-thinning ruins adhesion. You now refine the mix and apply it correctly. Start by testing on scrap wood or metal. You want flowable paint that levels without sagging, so add thinner in small 1/2 to 1 ounce increments and retest. Once consistent, load your brush or rag. Natural bristle brushes work best for oil-based products, and apply with steady, overlapping strokes to avoid lap marks. Make sure temperature is around 50-70 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity is moderate. These conditions control drying so that each coat develops properly before the next. You finish by cleaning and managing waste safely. Immediately wipe excess paint into the container, then flush brushes in fresh thinner, followed by soap and water. Seal used solvent in a labeled metal container for hazardous disposal. For rags, either soak them in water in a sealed metal can or lay them flat outdoors to dry. Do not bundle them. If you see fish eyes, sanding and a slow recoat will help, and if the solvent odor lingers, boost ventilation and use activated charcoal to absorb fumes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.